In the land of the sun, a place of riveting, vivid images of visions, scintillating dreams coming from the heart. Have you breathing heavily from the start? Young minds attempt to contemplate the reason for all this violence and hate. In war-torn terrain where the blood outweighs the sand, the youth are firmly held in contempt by the bullet from the gun that advertised all our demands. A child is born amongst all the pain, raised by a so-called sheikh simply to fulfill his aim. The young boy rose from all the mud, sorrow and grief, witnessing death, watching his own mother's last breath. You have no idea what goes through his mind, whether he kills for revenge or to survive. But little does he know, his master has his own agenda. Looked upon as an icon, he knows his toy soldier won't surrender. Turn him into a marksman, drop in any target. The warlords know he has nothing to live for, but it's never too late. You see, the kid is smart and realizes there's something greater within his fate. Putting his tribe aside, he decides to reside from this life so desperately, looking only for peace, justice, and tranquility. Finally, he recognizes his utmost potential. Removing illness from his heart and soul was essential. Ease has finally reached his core, but the old men have an ulterior motive in store. You see, they couldn't let change happen, so they trapped him and strapped him to a bomb and they sent him in. After a while, you could hear the explosion. Families of the victims dying for a chance at retaliation. But the kid's future is gone, like all the cars in an empty parking lot. Except, this one will remain vacant. Somalia has disease, and everyone claims to be innocent.